And now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge.
78 years ago, at the stroke of midnight, a nation found its voice. A voice that had been silenced for centuries.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
A voice that had whispered through struggle. Through sacrifice.
A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history.
Through the footsteps of countless men and women who refused to give up. That night, India wasn't just a mark on the map anymore. It became a living dream, a dream of dignity, a dream of equality, a dream of a future where we could hold our heads high and take our place in the world with pride. This Independence Day, let us remember, we are not just the inheritors of freedom, we are its guardians. Our past was built by those who stood united. Our future will be shaped by how we choose to stand today.